Old picture books. Story character. Mr. Peanut, Miss Simpson's guardian, and Peanut's thief. They are class pair from class 304 of Elan High School. They want to have a date one day after taking their college entrance exams. The exam is finally over. What do you think, baby? We can go out and play, honey. They are thinking about where to go on a date in Elam. Babe, where do you want to go? It's good to be anywhere with you, honey. On the way. Babe, look over there is Elan's specialty extension. Let's go in and have a look, honey. That looks delicious. Can I buy one, sweetheart? Alright. This place looks so grand, honey. Babe, did you know that this used to be a prison? I hear our history teacher say this in class. Whoa, is this true? Yeah, finally, my sweetheart. Hehehe. My mouth is dry after eating the jelly roll. I want a drink. Babe, let me see if there is a beverage store here. Are you feeling better, babe? Of course, I can't lie, honey. Babe, I have to powder my nose. I'll be waiting for you here, honey. Here is the chance. The toilet sign. I need to hurry. Yeah, keep screaming, sweetie, 'cause nobody will hear it. Hehehe. Ah, who are you? Pull me down, bastard. After a while. This is the end of Mr. Peanut. You taste so good. Hehehe. Babe, please, where are you? There are still many things we haven't done together. You are going to see him very soon. Hehehe. The end. Don't go to the restaurant alone.